Namaste everyone. You all are heartily welcome to the Canyon Park. Hope you and all your family members are safe due to this coronavirus hard time. Myself, Chandresh Patel. I am a yoga teacher from India. I'm teaching yoga from last 10 years and my specialization in yoga is back bending and hip opening. So unfortunately, I cannot organize an online session. So we decided to make a special video for you to serve you the best yoga techniques and the real knowledge of ancient Indian yoga. Last summer, luckily I got chance to visit Canyon Park. And do you know, when I stepped into the park, I was feeling like I'm entering into another world. And it is such an amazing place and very perfect place to practice yoga. Because our ancient Indian yogis and Lord Shiva told us to practice in the middle of nature to get 100% result of your yoga practice. And that is why all the real yogis practice in the middle of forest, in the middle of nature. And you all are so lucky to have so amazing place nearby you. Because nowadays we have to create artificial atmosphere in our studio, and that doesn't work as nature. So in this video, I will teach you traditional sun salutation, a traditional Surya Namaskara. What I mean by traditional is the style that our Indian yogi taught us before many thousand years ago. The real style of sun salutation. Because nowadays yoga academy, yoga schools and many yoga professionals add their own style and moves to sun salutations and change the original one, change the traditional style. So I will teach you the traditional sun salutation and I will show you where do we mistakes and how to correct it. And the most important thing I will teach you in this video is how to exactly practice sun salutations to improve your muscles flexibility and strength. Because most of the students who doing sun salutations, they're focusing on counts, not on the movements, not on the flow of asanas, not on the finishing of postures. They're focusing on counts. They will say, I did 100 sun salutation, I did 200 sun salutation, I can do 300. That doesn't matter. How much you can do sun salutation, it is not a matter. The matter is how much you improve your muscles flexibility by practicing sun salutations and how much strength you earn from sun salutation practice. So first posture of sun salutation is this palm facing to each other and in the middle of chest. First position of sun salutation is this, and second position of sun salutation is this one. So sun salutation is a flow of asanas. It means you will go from first posture to second posture with a flow like this. I show you what is the flow. From first posture, your hands will go straight first and then straight in curve to this position. So I go from first posture to second posture with a flow, like round, like this, like rainbow. And this is what we miss in recent style, in latest style of sun salutation. We do like this. In this position, we lost the flow. This one is a traditional style, and this one we do now. This is the recent style. Many of the students practice like this. They lost the flow, and sun salutation is made the flow of asanas. So first position is this. We will go straight arms and then in the round position. Go back. From here to third position is this one. So same thing we will do from here to here in the round position, in the round flow. So from second position we'll go in round, round, round. We'll go straight down, down, down. Touch palm with the floor. This is traditional flow. Don't miss the flow. In latest style, even in this movement, we lost the flow like this. See, you can feel that we are missing the flow. We go from here and we miss the half round, from here to straight down. This is not a correct way to practice. So try to go in the flow. Stretch your spine maximum from here to here. Again, I show you. Go straight up, go straight forward, forward and down. In this position, you will not go to the next position until you don't stretch maximum your spine. Like this. Stretch your spine maximum as much as you can. Like this. Then you will go the further position like this. Right leg behind and hips down. Head up, chest open, hands on the ground, hold this position. Then from here to another leg behind and make pyramid position, head between the shoulder and hips towards sky. From pyramid position, you will go straight down like landing of a plane. This is the most difficult part to understand the movement. So let me show you the correct way. So first, from this position, you will go straight. Your head will go straight down to the ground in the between of your palm, and from here you will stretch your body straight like this, and then you will take Bhujangasana position. You will go up, open your chest. This is the correct way of traditional sun salutation. And what we do mistake is this. We lost the flow again in this position, like this. From here, we go like this. So there is no safety of spine because your spinal cord will squeeze when you don't stretch it up and go directly up from here. You will lose your flow, you will not benefit your spine, you will not you will not make flexible your spine. So the position is this pyramid position. Go straight between your palm and then straight your spine. Then lift your upper limbs. And from here again make straight your upper limb down. Don't move your hips. And from here press back. From this position, your upper limb will go straight down. Your spine is straight now, so you can push back. Lift your hip like this and press your body back from palm like this. Like this, press back and hip will go up. Lift hip towards sky and press back. From here, the right leg will go straight up. In the same position, open your chest, head up, hips down, hands touch to the ground. Now, another leg, front, both legs together, palm on the ground. And from here, you will take the flow. Touch your palm here, and go straight front, and then go straight up, and then back. Make the full round from down to backward. From here, you will go straight up first and then straight forward and then back to the position. And now, breathing technique. For breathing, this first position, when we go back, just inhale. Then, from here to down, exhale. Exhale from mouth, breathe out from mouth, not from nose. Inhale from nose, exhale from mouth and nose, both. Down, then right leg back, again breathe in and stretch up. And then breathe out and pyramid position. Now inhale and Bhujangasana position. And exhale and back to position, pyramid position. Then right leg up, forward. And inhale. Exhale and both legs together. Again, inhale. And exhale and back to the first position. This is the breathing technique in sun salutation. So guys, this is the difference between traditional and latest style of sun salutation. There is a very minor difference, but it makes a big difference in the improvement of your body, in the improvement of your muscles flexibility. So what first thing we need to remind is we should not miss the flow. We should not jerk the body. What we do in sun salutation, we go without flow, like this, straight down. Don't do that. Just feel the flow, feel your muscles movement. When you go back, just feel it and go back. When you go forward, just feel your muscles stretching and strengthening, and do sun salutation with feelings. Don't do for counting, don't do for quantity. Quantity is the not matter. I told you before. Just focus on the flow, first thing. Second thing, when you stretch your body backward, just stretch it maximum, as much as you can. If you are beginner, don't worry, go as back as you can, but don't stop on the beginning level. When you feel a little bit pain, don't stop there, just go more back. What will happen then is you will improve your flexibility. When you go forward, just stretch your body maximum down, more than your capacity, a little bit more than your capacity. That will improve your muscles flexibility and strength. And after practicing 10 days or 15 days sun salutation, you will definitely see the flexibility in your muscles. You will see a maximum, you will earn more flexible muscles. So this is the way to practice sun salutation. So hope you all learn something new from my video, and hope you like the technique I given you. Thank you so much.